Shelby, I'm having so many of my patients, young adult patients, who are and playing games digitally, learning competitively with their friends by their sides, or streaming or so forth, and the intensity that they're looking at these screens at is just incredible. They're on there for sometimes hours on end, even afraid to blink. The sustaining of aiming your eyes and actually focusing to see clearly has an effect on the individuals. And I myself, as an optometrist, and specifically almost like a behavioral optometrist, deal with all the different results from looking at these screens. And I can't help but think that one of them is going to be individuals who are going to start to have problems looking at distance and noticing that their nighttime vision isn't as good. But also what we're interested in, especially in a lot of these kids and young adults who are competitive, is how do we make it so they're able to perform better, so they don't get as tired, so their eyes don't start tearing or getting headaches or visual fatigue. There are ways we can do this. This is a niche that is so huge for me to work with that I'm really super excited. In fact, I'm going to the E3 conference in Los Angeles at the Convention Center this June, just to learn about the individuals who are doing this and what we can actually do and share information on what we can do to help them. We are putting information out there on Instagram, some on Facebook, and probably some eventually on LinkedIn. So there's 5 components that I'm looking at in working with individuals. Let's see if I can remember them. 1, there are certain vitamins that individual kids can use to help keep their eyes possibly from becoming as affected from the blue light looking at these screens. And also, there are certain filters that you can put on your glasses that help bring down or eliminate the blue light coming through to the eye, which some people feel is not that great for the individual. A third thing that we're really interested in is giving them the right prescription, and I feel this is the most important thing. What is the correct prescription for looking at a screen? Oftentimes, especially if your kids are already wearing glasses, it's not the same as a distance prescription. Also, fourth thing, what can a kid do to make their eyes work better together? There is actually vision training that can be done. Not eye exercises, but getting the 2 systems of the eye, the aiming, which is like this, and the focusing systems to work better together. And the third thing could be something as simple as blinking more, or individuals who are suffering from dry eye looking at the screen for such a long period of times. This is such a big area for optometry to deal with, and there are more and more kids and young adults who are having these problems, and in my opinion, less optometrists or ophthalmologists for that matter who are actually dealing with these different issues of individuals who are involved with eSports.